Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the most special box of the entire year for Fat Quarter Shop. It is their birthday box for the Sew Sampler. This is the 9th year actually for the Sew Sampler. Every April we celebrate. We also start a new block of the month every April, so I'm really super excited for this. But this box usually contains the most amazing goodies throughout the entire year. It contains coupons a lot of the times, so I'm really excited to see what's in this box. Limited edition items as well. I forgot to mention that. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, first we have our little insert here. It says Just Desserts. Okay, this is April 2025. Here we have the back of the insert, and for the first time in a while, there are no actual promo codes on the back here. So it says this month's promo code is hidden inside your box on a special scratch off card. So that's exciting. Let's see what we get. Uncover your mystery savings and see what awesome deal you've scored. And then Kimberly just says, we're so grateful to kick off 9 years. That is amazing, absolutely amazing. And then of course, Jolly Bar Day is May 10th. There is a little QR code there for that. Okay, and then it also says Sherry McConnell of The Quilting Life has created a tutorial for a really cute tote bag, so you can go ahead and see that as well. Hopefully that worked. And then Stardust 2025 Charity Quilt Along. Okay, so this is a stitch and quilt along benefiting Make-A-Wish. Okay, so there is the code for that. Okay, here we have our foldable inserts. This will tell us the contents of our box as well as the prices for each item. And then it goes ahead and shows us the quilt along for the next 12 months, although I've already given you guys a sneak peek last month in last month's box as well. So let's go ahead and dive into this and see what we got. Okay, our first item here is 50 weight Superior Pima Natural White Cotton Thread by Superior Threads. This retails for $11.98, and it says, just like icing on a cake, you can't wrap up a quilt without thread. This 50 weight Pima Natural White Cotton Thread by Superior Threads is a staple for piecing, quilting, and general sewing. With a whopping 1,200 yards of strong 2-ply American-grown Pima cotton, it's perfect for both top thread and bobbin thread. So sweet. I always love when we get things like this. So here is a So Charming Dresden Enamel Charm by Sherry and Chelsea for It's So Emma. This retails for $13.48. It says this enamel charm is so charming, don't you think? Designed by Sherry and Chelsea, this colorful enamel charm is the perfect touch for your favorite accessory. Inspired by the Dresden plates in the Raspberry Summer collection, it's a must-have detail that sweetens any project, featuring their vibrant fabric collections. Try it on Sherry's tote bag, shown on this month's Another Project Idea feature. Okay, and I love these guys because you can put them on zippers, you can put them on your bags for your sewing machines, you can put them a lot of the times on a pair of scissors, especially if you're going to retreat or something like that where you don't want your scissors to get lost. They're just so cute. Here we have a bonus item. This retails for $4.98. These are Microtech Sharp sewing machine needles in a size 80-12 by Schmetz. Hopefully you can see this with the glare. This is a fabric label sticker pack by Fat Quarter Shop. It is an exclusive, so Sampler got it first. It retails for $7.98, and it says banish fabric chaos with the fabric label stickers from Fat Quarter Shop. These nifty little helpers stick to your fabric like a dream for as long as you like, leaving no annoying residue behind. Scribble down all the details like collection, designer, and project ideas. With these little labels, shopping your stash for future quilts is a piece of cake. All right, so these are really great. I love the concept of this. I don't know if you've ever purchased fabric for a project and then a couple weeks, maybe a couple months have gone by, maybe a couple years if you're like me, and you totally forget what that project was in the first place. Or even if you've forgotten what designer or fabric collection you purchased. And then I do love because it has a little spot here for pre-washed or not. And I don't know if you've ever purchased cotton or any fabric really, I guess, where you had maybe 2 projects in mind. So for instance, I don't like to pre-wash my cotton fabric for quilting, but I will pre-wash it for other things, especially if I don't want them to shrink after the project has been made. So I think these are so handy, and I definitely will be using these. And if you like anything that you see in this box, I will go ahead and put the links down below for the Fat Quarter Shop. Okay, on to our fabric collection here, and I love everything by Sherry and Chelsea. So this is Dahlia Raspberry Summer Junior Dessert Roll by Sherry and Chelsea from Moda Fabrics, and it does retail for $26.98. And I'll go ahead and put this up on the screen as well so you can see all of the fabrics in this collection. I'm not going to unwrap this, but this says, got a sweet tooth? Dive into a burst of vibrant flavors with Sherry and Chelsea. Raspberry Summer Their dazzling new collection from Moda Fabrics is packed with eye-popping hues and designs featuring blooming florals and intricate geometrics. The juiciest prints are handpicked for this delightful 12-piece dessert roll. These 5-inch by width of fabric strips are your ticket to a buffet of creativity. And it definitely uses similar colors. I mean, there is some navy in here, but last year they had a raspberry, no, not raspberry, it was a strawberry lemonade collection, which I actually have the entire collection downstairs and I loved it so much. But it has a lot of the same tones as that. And then, like I said, there is some navy in there, which definitely was not in their collection last year. Super cute. And like I said, I'll go ahead and put this up on the screen here so you can see. Okay, so next up is our April 2025 mystery coupon. So I just have to scratch off that little present there. So let's go ahead and do that together. Got my quarter. So I got 10% off my next purchase, if you can see that. I'm excited to know what everybody else got. Did we all get the same coupon? Definitely let me know in the comments down below what your value was of your coupon. Next up here, we have the Dahlia quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. It retails for $9.98 and it says, like a flower ready to debut, the Dahlia quilt pattern from Fat Quarter Shop will light up your life with its easy instructions and stunning design. Add a touch of sweetness with the junior dessert roll from this month's box, or dive into your stash of 5-inch strips. Either way, this quilt is always in season. Limited finishing kits are available. I will let you know down below if they are still available. So let's see, this pattern is 52.5 by 52.5, so the perfect little lap size. You can go ahead and add a border if you're like me and you like larger quilts. And then here are the fabric requirements from that quilt. And before we get to our pattern for the quilt along for the year, I just wanted to ask you guys a question. So I love to garden. I have what I consider a small hobby homestead here in Pennsylvania. But what I was wondering is, last year I did a garden tour video. Some of you seem to like that, and I was just wondering if you'd like me to continue doing those this year. I do have some spring veg out there now. All the fruit trees are in bloom, which is really nice. You know, I've got the chickens, and then I'll be adding some of our summer veg here pretty shortly. I'm going to the nursery this weekend, actually. But yeah, I was just curious if you wanted me to do any kind of garden tours this year, because I love doing them and I love sharing my passions with you guys. So just let me know down below, and then we will go ahead and get into this pattern. So last month I showed this to you. This is block 1 of the flowering quilt along. So this one is called You Grow Girl. Okay, and this is an 18.5 by 18.5 flower block. So yeah, obviously we don't know what the rest of the quilt looks like. Personally, I don't like this pattern so far, and I don't see myself making this quilt, but I'm definitely curious as the months go on. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I will, we'll see. I'll let you guys know what I think for the next couple months of the patterns that we see. So let's go ahead and see what we actually saved with this month's box. And what do you guys think? Was this like worthy of a birthday box? I don't know. I have been a subscriber now for 6 years, and I feel like we've definitely gotten better birthday boxes in the past. I do think the scratch off was a really cute idea, but I'm not sold that this is the best box ever. Let me know what you think down below. All right, so I went ahead and added that up, and our box total came to $80.36. Definitely not one of our best boxes in terms of the price of the items, or the savings, I guess. And then I did pay $36.69 for this box, so let's go ahead and subtract that really quick. We had a total savings of $43.67. Like I said, not our best savings. I feel like we've been up there in maybe like the $53, $54 range before. Let me know what you think down below. To me, it was definitely not the best birthday box. So yeah, I will see you next time. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week and weekend. It is beautiful here in PA. I hope it's beautiful where you are as well. Bye everybody, thanks so much for watching.